Hello, everyone. Robert Blackman, one of your customer success coaches here at Bright, reaching out to cover with you guys today one of the features that you could set up in Bright. Based on a post we recently saw in our Facebook group, I saw a lot of comments where people are saying, "Wait, I didn't know I could be alerted and get text alerts when my clients are saving properties or saving favorites or putting notes in their account." So I'm here to show you guys today how to do that in just a couple minutes and how you can set up your settings so you can make sure you're getting alerted to these things. So what I'll do is we want to go over here into our Bright Workspace page. And what you're going to do is just click in the top right-hand corner where you see your name. You're going to click on your name in that top right-hand corner and the drop-down box will appear. What you're going to do is go here into Account and Settings. So just click on your name and then Account and Settings. Once you're in account and settings, you'll see a page that looks just like this. And what you want to do is go over here to MLS settings. So when you get to MLS settings, it'll open up a new page here. So just to repeat that for you guys, click on your name, account and settings. Once you're in account and settings, you're going to click on MLS settings, which will bring you to this page here. Now we just want to go over here where it says portal notification settings. You just want to click on that portal notification settings. And you'll see here that anytime your client does any of the activities listed here on the left-hand side, you can be notified by the methods here on the right. So you can be notified as soon as possible via email when a client visits the portal. You can be notified as soon as possible via text, and you can be notified in a daily summary email that comes to you with the activities that have happened. But if it's like I said, this is talking about text, so that's I wanted to bring that up just because that was what was brought up in that Facebook group with the in the comments on that post. But again, you can pick multiple of these categories, and you can pick multiple ways of being alerted, and you can even skip some if you don't want to be alerted in other ways. So you can set up what works best for you. So once you've done that, just go over here to the bottom. And when you've selected anything, if you've selected anything that has the word text in there, any of these boxes are checked here to have something alert you by text. You just want to click here where it says edit your cell phone information. You'll type in your 10-digit cell phone number. You'll pick your cell phone provider from the list, and then you'll click where it says send me a verification code, and it's going to send a code to your phone to make sure it is your phone and working. What it'll do is ask you to type that code right into the new box here. And then once you do that, you'll verify your phone is working and that it's receiving the text alerts. Then all you have to do is click on the save button on the bottom of the page here, and you now have text alerts and email alerts set up to let you know when your clients are doing any of the activities again listed here on the left-hand side. That's it. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support or our customer success coaches under that education tab in Bright. Take care, everyone.